So hi everyone, welcome back to a new video. Today we have drop famous YouTuber. Yeah, so today is the fifth YouTuber. Remain just one and we're going to close this section up. We will close it, yeah? Okay. So today we have a gamer. As we know, I have started with a gamer, Little Simsy. And today I went to semi-final with a gamer just like Little Simsy. Today I'm drawing a Vixella or Sasha. Her real name is Sasha, but her channel name is Vixella. And actually I love the name Vixella. It is so nice and good to say Vixella, yeah? I'm going to say Vixella, yeah? So Vixella Blood Devil is stands for just like Little Simsy, and she have a very funny YouTube channel. Her videos are very funny videos. You will enjoy watching her videos. Also, I'm going to leave the link in the description box to check her channel out, okay? Alright. Also, today I'm back with digital art. I have drawn 3 digital art from my recent videos. Shadow Midas, Agent Billy, and Adopt Me Dragon in Roblox, yeah? And actually, I love digital art, especially when it comes to coloring. It just gives a very nice results. I was working on this and yeah, now I'm coloring digitally. That's so nice. So you're going to enjoy the final results. And I know I draw better than this, but I'm so sorry. I have just this pen and one side is so big and the other one is so small. So I will gonna to work about this. I'm gonna to buy a new one to have a very good result of the final art, yeah? You see one part is so thick, one part is so thin. What should I do, yeah? So also I'm gonna to leave my social media links down in the description to follow me up there. And now we'll see the final results together.
6 hours later.
So first of all, we should remove the background and remain just the drawing, and then we have to color it. And 1, 2, 3, abracadabra. Well, this is the final result. I love it a lot. Guys, if you love this video, please like and subscribe for more videos, and bye.